वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। आज हम बनाने वाले हैं NS400Z का वीडियो। आई हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर दिस बाइक फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। ये 400cc बाइक है जो बजाज ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे रिव्यूज़ मैंने खुद ने सुने इस गाड़ी के एंड आई लव इट। द लुक्स ऑफ इट, इट्स बल्की, इट्स हैवी। आपको ऑफ रोड करना है, आपको बारिश में चलानी है, आपको रोड कंडीशंस में चलानी है, आपको स्पोर्ट्स मोड में जाना है, यू जस्ट whatever you want to do, you just name it, this bike can do it. मार्केट में Honda है CB300, there's CB350 and there's so many other different vehicles, so many other different motorcycles that you can buy, but this does it all. Off-road, this does it. Sports, does it. Road, does it. Heck, even rain mode, it has a rain mode. मतलब TCS है, traction control system, इसके अंदर you can turn it on and off. I don't think so you can turn off, but you have TCS in it, and that's pretty great for the segment that you're getting this bike in. So सबसे पहले दिख रहा है इसका ब्रांडिंग NS400Z जो आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाता है. And coming to the look of this vehicle, USD folks आपको इस सेगमेंट में इस प्राइस पॉइंट पे 400cc में USD folks इसमें देखने को मिलते हैं. आगे से आपको LED लैम्प्स DRL मिल जाएगा, एक प्रोजेक्टर हेडलैम्प मिल जाएगा. दिस इज़ अ ड्यूअल चैनल सिस्टम, सो ABS है, डिस्क ब्रेक्स ड्यूअल चैनल मिल जाएंगे आपको. एंड द मोस्ट अमेजिंग थिंग दैट यू गेट हियर इज़ द स्लिपर क्लच. So there's adjustable slipper clutch as well. Passing sensors, here's where you can select the modes from. This is your digital instrument cluster. You also get a cool USB charging socket. यहाँ का brake fluid है, यहाँ से this is the engine kill and start switches. Quickly coming to the rear of the bike, you have LEDs, red LED backlights, and these indicators as well are yellow LEDs. This is how the brake looks. That's the disc brake at the back. और ये फ्रेम में कुछ क्रिएटिव सा नहीं है. ये जो है दिस इज़ अ फाइबर थिंग, दिस इज़ अ फाइबर बॉडी. जो फ्रेम जो है ये फ्रेम इज स्टिल दिस, आई मीन यू गेट इट राइट. And the exhaust that you get here is a similar of what you've seen in Duke ranges when it started, underbelly exhaust. It's an official 373cc engine, so it is branded as 400, but it is a 373cc engine packing 40 bhp of horsepower and 35 Nm torque, which is massive in the range. It's a liquid cooled engine. And so that's basically it for the whole quick review video of NS400. We'll dive deep into a few other things when it comes to ride quality, when it comes to riding stances, when it comes to the look and feel and the presence of the bike on road, और कितने अच्छे से ये क्या road presence है इस गाड़ी का, और how it feels when you ride it. So this is just the cosmetics. Let's dive into the seat. Let's see how comfortable this is. Let's see how comfortable it is for the pillion. We're going to ride with a pillion and without a pillion, and we'll see कि कैसा comfort offer करती है गाड़ी. And yeah, so let me know in the comment section below कि बाहर से ये गाड़ी, how is it in the looks of what it has to offer. So this is the fully digital instrument cluster that you get. I'm just going to start it again so you can see it for yourself. Alright, that's how you get welcome. Now you have road, you had sports, you have rain, and you have off-road. So there are 4 modes that you get with this motorcycle. And you get the adjustment over here, so you can control. This is the up and down button. This is where you can set things, and this is for when you want to go back in the menu. Here's where the menu appears. This is a multi-info display that you can see, and along with it there's traction control over here, engine light, ABS, your gear shift indicator, in short if it's on neutral, the oil, and as well you have your headlights. Right, here's the main menu. First you get vehicle information where you can select the ride mode, and right now it is on sports. So just if you want to shift modes, simply shift it to off-road, and here you can see that it is shifted onto the off-road condition. So similarly you can keep on switching modes. There's MTC, and I'm not really sure if you know what this is. Please comment down in the comment section below on what MTC is, but you can turn it on and off, and then there's warnings if there's any. So the basic warning right now is refuel. If you go back, there's connectivity. You can basically connect your bike with Bluetooth and you can have the navigations on here. There's trip settings and bike settings. You can set flat timers, and then there's also settings in here. You can change, you can select a quick select function. If you want to press up, what should appear. If you want to press down, what should appear, and stuff like that. So those are the things that you get in here. Daytime clock, brightness, etc.
So that was it about the ride of the vehicle. There are about the ride quality, I would say कि यहाँ पर handle bar में आपको vibrations मिलेंगे as expected. I mean it is a big engine, but यहाँ पर handle bars में भी आपको vibration मिलते हैं. The whole handle bar, you can feel that it is vibrating. When it comes to braking, it does an absolutely good job, but it again depends on how well you know the bike and how well you start braking. When you start braking, you really need to be hit it hard on the handlebar, I mean on the lever for the front brakes, and same goes for the rear brakes. You just have to really push onto it for the bike to kick in the braking system. As far as the pickup goes, इस गाड़ी का पिकअप काफ़ी अच्छा है, जो आपको राइड रिव्यू में दिखा भी. 0 to 100 was pretty smooth and easy. I could hit 100 in about third gear, but I had to push it up onto fourth when it comes to 100 or more than 100. अब जहाँ तक की बात है इसके RPM की, ये I don't know why, but it was really operating on low RPMs. अगर 3 या 2 या 3 से नीचे आता है RPM तो engine stall होता है. That means कि you cannot do lower speeds and higher gear ratios. So you have to match the gear ratio. You even have to match the downshifts and upshifts while shifting. I mean you have to do the rev matching. So that's about the ride review of this bike. काफ़ी अच्छी है. उसके अलावा the seating and the seating position and the comfort that it offers on the seat is really very pretty good as compared to what you could get on a KTM 390 or a Duke 390. Comparatively, seat is very soft, and along with the pillion as well, it's very comfortable, very soft. और दोनों collapse नहीं होते, like you know they won't merge. When you're riding and when there's a pillion sitting at the back, you wouldn't feel that you guys are merging in the between. So it's ample of space on the seat as well. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below about anything and everything that you want to talk about the bike.